Hello guys and gals. Let's talk about Milwaukee versus DeWalt. My personal opinion. I switched over several months back to Milwaukee. I've been a DeWalt person for many years. Am I happy with it? I've got a couple other Milwaukee impacts and stuff, but they're not here right now. Am I happy with them? I did keep these two lights. I know Milwaukee makes this, but I don't believe they make this. So I kept two little batteries and two lights because I use those in camping mainly. But yeah, I am very happy with it. No issues, no problems. I love it. Glad I switched. You know, it's like, I know there's fans out there of Snap-on, DeWalt, Harbor Freight, Milwaukee. You know, it's like saying which truck's the better. Ram, Ford, GMC, Chevy. You're going to get a crowd on every one. So I'm not here trying to give anybody a suggestion. I'm just saying I'm happy with the switch over. I wasn't real happy with some of the recent DeWalt purchases I made in customer service. You know, it could have just been a bad batch, but I was getting the runaround, so I thought, hey, I've heard a lot on these. Switch to these, love them, love them, love them. Wouldn't have anything else at this point in life. So no, I don't have any regrets for switching over. They've all functioned great, did what they're supposed to do. My only complaint is this big, what is this one? This is the 450-pound mid-torque. Nobody, including emailing the factory, can tell me what the torque, approximate torque is on level 1, 2, or 3. 3 would obviously be 450 foot-pounds, but Milwaukee says they don't publish that on this particular one, and I don't know why. Anybody knows or has a video on this particular 3/8 inch detent pen, part number, maybe it'll show up. Oh well. Anyway, what those torque ratings are, leave a comment. I'm sure 3 is 450, but what's 2 and 1? So that's my only complaint, and it's not that big a deal. I'd just like to know. But yeah, I mean, you know, there's DeWalt fans. Some of my friends have DeWalts. Doesn't matter, you know, as long as you like and what you have and they work for you. That's all that matters here. That's all that matters. You know, I got friends that have Harbor Freights and swear by them. I'm glad. It's just my personal opinion was I don't have any regrets for switching over to Milwaukee. I found them to be very superior and I really enjoyed them. So I had a few people ask me that in email, and I thought, well, I'll make a quick video on it sometime, and I keep forgetting, and then I get another email. So decided I better get on it and do it. But no problems, no regrets. I have replaced one thing under warranty, a battery. I sent it. They got it right back, brand new. No issues. All right, guys and gals, that's all I got for you today. Please share and subscribe if you would. We'll see you next time.